And not staying up on tax laws, it can result in inadvertent noncompliance. Like, how many people here knew that Colorado in 2024 changed the formatting of all of their Department of Revenue and Department of Labor account numbers? You have to update them in your payroll software in order for the payroll software to be able to schedule the deposits and file the returns if they're e-filing everything. I mean, I discovered it by accident. Like, we manually file everything. So I'm not just pushing buttons in the software and making it do the magic things that software does. So I'm like, all of a sudden I got an alert when I was creating the worksheet in my software. It's like, your ID number doesn't match the formatting that we expect it to be. And then I went and I did a little bit of looking, and I'm like, oh yeah, all the formatting changed. Like, because Colorado recently did change their websites, and like their unemployment website is completely different in 2024 than it was before. And you know, that's a setup thing, but it's like, it's not an initial setup thing. It's an ongoing setup thing. Yeah. States are constantly adding new taxes. Like, you know, in 2023, Colorado added paid family and medical leave, which they call family, FAMLI. Maine added PFML starting in January of this year. Minnesota is adding their own PFML. And sometimes you file PFML with the unemployment return. Sometimes it's a whole new website that needs to be set up with a whole new login, a whole new number. So that is one of the things that you need to stay up on.